And we wish you a pleasant stay in Manila. Please be guided by the following arrival procedures. All passengers must register through etravel.gov.ph to secure your free electronic arrival or e-arrival card. Please have your e-arrival card, swab test result, vaccination certificate, boarding pass, and all other travel documents ready for presentation at our respective counters. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and we should be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, landing station. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 22 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon, the 18th of March 2023. Ground temperature is recorded at 31 degrees Celsius or 87.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last for proper endorsement by our cabin crew to our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Ronan Velasquez, First Officer Carlos Lee, Second Officer Raydan Barreto, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. As part of our Philippine arrival protocols, please